Alright guys, so I'm currently in a sell on AUD USD, and as always, I'll go over my analysis towards the end of the video, but for now you guys will get to see the trade transpire. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Alright guys, so at this moment, price was pretty close to my stop loss and it was going against me pretty heavily, so I accidentally closed half instead of full. But as I did that immediately, look at what starts to happen. Alright y'all, so at this moment I ended up closing the rest of the position that I had left because I saw it immediately go against me with momentum, and I saw that it was creating a support, but that turned out to be a big mistake. Wow, you guys, I'm literally in awe right now. I'm bamboozled. Because this trade was just weird, man. This is why they call it NFP week, because there's just so much price action manipulation going on, making you think it's going to do this, but in reality it just wants to do this. So I basically closed in the negatives, as you guys saw, and the trade ended up working out. Even with all that price action, all that choppiness and everything, it ended up working out. So there's a lot of things I can take away from this. I think it's best if you just walk away from the charts whenever you're in a trade and just accept the risk. Because when you're just sitting in there watching the price move and everything, if it's not going your way or it start going against you immediately, you're going to be tempted to close, or close part of your position or whatever, when in reality the trade might still win. Just accept the risk. If it loses, it loses. If it wins, it wins. It's not a big deal. There will always be a next trade, you know what I mean? So yeah, for this trade I kind of lower my risk a bit. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I lowered my risk to like 0.5% instead of trading 1%, because I'm trying to maintain the 5% threshold that I have. Why am I doing this? Because I want the 2-week extension on the challenge. So FTMO on the 28th or 29th trading day of your challenge, if you're above 5%, they give you a 2-week extension. And I'd rather trade and try to get to 10% with a 2-week extension than less than a week. You know what I mean? This was essentially my last trade of the week. I'm only trading today and that's it. I'd rather do this because it's NFP week, like I said, and NFP week is just no, man. Just no. You gotta treat NFP week cautiously. Lower your risk. Lower the days that you trade, because NFP week is just it's very manipulative for scalpers, so you have to be careful. I took a small $130 loss. It's all good. Small loss, rather that than a big loss. But yeah, man, the trade ended up working out. If I would have not closed, just like a bittersweet moment. It's like, okay, my analysis was correct, right? That's the sweet part, but the bitter part is that I closed in negatives. Let me show y'all my analysis and why I took this trade. Go to the replay mode. Okay, so all right, hold on, let me do the replay mode again. So I woke up around 6:25 and I saw the supply right here. Right, saw the supply with a break of structure. It looks nice. I went to the 1 hour. It's kind of fudgy, but this is what the 1 hour looked like when I saw that supply. Right, so if you look at it closely, there is another 1 hour supply right there. So that's what I saw on the 1 hour, and on the 15 minute, take the 1 hour box away, and on the 15 minute there was another supply. So you got the 1 hour supply, you got the 15 minute supply, and you got the 5 minute supply. 3 confluences, that's all you need. I mean, yeah, dang it. Okay, my bad. It's early, still waking up. And yeah, I mean, I was just waiting for price to get there. It was acting a little choppy. I think I got in right there, right at that break. So yeah, stop loss was around right there, 1 and 2. And yeah, that was it. I mean, it started acting a bit choppy, but it worked out. Dang, man, can't believe it worked out. Oh well, it's all good. Anyway, yeah, that was my last trade of the week, and that's it. I did take one more trade on Tuesday, so I traded Monday, Tuesday, and today. I'll show y'all Tuesday's trade as well, so y'all can see. Let me go back to Tuesday. That's not it. This was just me forward testing. This was Wednesdays. Tuesday. This was just me forward testing again, and Tuesday was right here. This was Tuesday. So Tuesday, I believe I just took a small win. It was like around $400. I remember, so that's like 0.8% of the challenge. let me show you my analysis for this. So as y'all can see right here, there's 2 supplies that I see whenever I woke up, so I marked them up right here, and a supply right here. Cool. There's also a break of structure. The break of structure is right here. And let me see, I don't think I saw anything on 1 hour. On the 1 hour, just supplies being formed on the 5 minutes. So I just went solely based on the 5-minute time frame. And you got the 200 SMA going down, so that's more confluence. So yeah, I just waited for price to get to one of these boxes, and first price went to this box, right? And then I took the break of this candle, but I believe it ended up taking me out immediately. Immediately as it broke the candle, it just shot up again. So let me see, that's the case. Yeah, it broke the candle and then immediately just shot up and took me out. So what it did was fake me out and then went to this box instead. Yeah, and I got in right here. Stop loss was around here, and yeah, my normal 1 to 2, the 1.9. Yeah, normal 1 to 2, and yeah, that was it. So yeah, guys, that's it. So thank you guys for watching the video. Maybe you guys enjoy this content. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments on how your NFP week went. Mine went okay, can't really complain. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.